Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video, and we're trying the Candyman challenge again because my recording stopped. Give me a look. Hi guys. Luke really doesn't want to do this, but he will be uploading when you get back. Please upload.
Well, guys, the only problem is I don't have enough time.
He doesn't have enough time. I've got plenty.
Because my dad doesn't let me.
Ask your dad.
I do it every day.
And change your name to the Emerald Minecart. And make sure to change Minecart because that's copyright from the Demon Minecart.
Nice one, the Demon Minecart.
Exactly.
Guys, it's no more. When I get back, no more Mark McGlinchey.
It's the Demon Minecart.
Yeah, it's going to be the Demon Minecart. You can just type up, look, I'll add a T-E.
No, just look
T-D-E.
up the Demon Minecart. Let's go.
I'll just do-
Let's go.
Let's be ready. Still don't work.
We're in. Get in. I didn't say goodbye, Candyman, either, so get in.
Lots. Why did you lie to me, Elijah?
'Cause we gotta do it again. 3, 2, 1. Come on, say it with me. 3, 2, 1. Loud though, okay? That's why my recording stopped. Okay? So 3, 2, 1. Candyman, 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 Candyman.
Okay. What is wrong with your tap?
I know.
You're behaving good, tap.
Tap's behaving.
Good tap.
The tap's behaving. Is that better?
Yeah,
Look, come here, come here.
Right.
Is that better?
Yeah.
There we go.
If I've changed my channel to the Demon Minecart, more people will like me.
Because Mark McGlinchey.
Yeah,
it doesn't sound interesting.
No, it doesn't sound interesting at all. And guess what?
What?
There's 2 Mark McGlinchey grown-ups.
Is there?
And guess what? Guess how many subscribers they have?
Oh.
0. Grown-ups. Their names are epic and they still have 0 subscribers.
I know how you feel. I know how you feel. What's wrong with this tap? Every time we say Candyman, it just does that.
I know.
Candyman, give you as a sign of your presence.
Right.
Okay. You guys can't hear that, but that's just unpleasant. Yeah. I hurt myself.
Oh, you okay, Elijah?
Yeah, I'm
And
fine.
If you can't,
You know what? I'm gonna twist it.
if you see Paul, that's because he's playing. That's just the reason he's.
That's better?
Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
I twisted my ankle. Okay,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not my
that-
fault.
Yeah, it's not his fault. It's his ankle's fault.
Yeah, it's my ankle's fault. Okay?
Bad ankle. Bad.
Yeah, say bad ankle. It's a bad ankle.
Yeah, and every comment you type, say bad ankle on this video.
Yeah. Also, every like this video gets, my ankle will be saved. Because it's clearing up. It's
Yeah.
clearing. It's clearing.
And you have to go into my channel because you'll wait to see how much views I've got.
He's got 42.
I feel like
Add my views up together. It's more than that.
Bam.
Tasty.
Yeah, and it's just awkward. We're just in the bathroom.
I had to. I'm sorry. Okay, enough. 3, 2, 1. Candyman, 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 Candyman.
Silence.
Candyman, you suck.
Right, let's say goodbye, Candyman.
No. This guy is rubbish. Because one, I don't think we have anything so that he can tap or anything, so you know what? We get Darth Vader.
Darth Vader duck.
Darth Vader duck.
Wait, do you
So-
put that in your bath?
Let's see.
Do you put that in your bath, Lucy?
He's a duck, okay? Candyman, 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 Candyman.
Darth.
Okay, I'm actually fully scared now.
I know. What's scary?
What was that? What was that? What the heck was that?
I'm really scared.
I actually heard something this
I
time.
know.
Oh my god, I heard like a thump.
Me too.
Oh no!
I'm right here.
I'm gonna say goodbye, Candyman. Goodbye, Candyman. Goodbye, Candyman. Goodbye, Candyman. Goodbye, Candyman. Goodbye, Candyman. I think he's gone. Oh my god, that was a reaction and a half. Oh my god.
That was
Okay,
epically scary.
that was epically scary,
We're
right?
just closing.
But like, I'm not even joking. Did you hear that? That was an actual thump. That was an actual thump.
I know. Guys.
Do it. Do it.
Bananas.
I dare you.
What?
I actually got a reaction out of that. I know. Like, look. This has never happened before.
I know this has never happened.
My recording
guys.
stopped.
But
But
no, it's
I don't
not.
believe that Candyman done that. But then, as soon as that thump came, I was like, oh my. But that was a legitimate big thump. I think it's because we put Darth Vader in the bath and we heard like a.
Yeah, because sometimes I put my hand in the bath and it makes a thump.
But that wasn't Darth Vader. That came from the cupboard. I was like,
And thank goodness we said goodbye, Candyman.
Because that actually was really scary. I'm not even joking.
Yeah.
Okay, when that video that said I'm crazy for doing this, I am.
We're definitely crazy.
Just the fact that it actually just went like a big thump, that didn't make me comfortable at
Oh,
all.
it's not comfortable. Oh.
It is not comfortable. It actually made me get goosebumps. I was like, wait, what the heck? But I think my house is haunted now. So I don't know. Because Candyman, he's real.
Why did
And
you say
soon-
that?
Candyman, he's real. He is real. Good, that wasn't me who've done like a big thump.
I know. I've never seen Elijah do a thump before.
I've never done a thump. Well, I have in class, because everyone knows that. Just bang the table.
Sometimes they're just sleep.
But I never thump in my house. And that was like a big punch.
I know.
I was like,
And Goodway said goodbye, Candyman.
I know, but that was really scary. I
We
didn't
are
like
never
it.
doing that again.
We're doing it again.
What?
But I think my house is now haunted enough so that I can get another reaction. I think
My heart
Because
is
as soon
melting.
as I heard that, I was like, as soon as I heard that, I got goosebumps straight away.
Yeah.
I'm not even joking. I've never been scared in my house before.
I know.
And that actually scared me.
Yeah.
And the fact that it was a thump, my mum didn't do that. Kaylee didn't do that. Rory didn't do that. You didn't do it. And I didn't do it. There's no one else in the house.
Yeah.
And my dad isn't here. He's at work.
Yeah.
So,
because the babies can't even do that.
They're just like, But should we get one more reaction?
No.
Come on, one more reaction.
No. Definitely not.
Fine then.
Thank goodness.
But my recording didn't stop this time. So I'm
think
not
it's
happy with
over.
that. I'm not happy with that at all. Did anyone else hear the thump? Comment down below if you heard that.
thump.
Because that was scary.
Yeah.
So comment down below if you heard that thump in your heads. He's real. He's real. It wasn't just me being crazy. You heard him.
Yep, I definitely heard them.
Oh my god.
This has been the worst night ever.
Peace.